Kind regards, tutor and partners. This is my video reading for English 2, Task 7, talking about activities and plans. I'm Jesus Monsalvo. So let's start. What are your plans for the weekend? Usually on weekends I like go to cinema and watch movies or stay at home and also watch terror movies. I go to restaurants to hang out with my friends and eat something delicious. I read a book. What is your job? Study routine? Currently, I'm not working because I quit. About the studies, I prefer to study on mornings while I listen relaxing music. What sports do you practice? Describe the sports. I do not like sports too much, but when I have the opportunity to play chess with a friend, we do. Chess is a game that it is also a sport for two people. For playing, you have to organize the tokens like the queen, king, tower, bishop, pawn, and horse. Every token has its own movement and you only can move one of your tokens in your turn. The game is played in a board with 64 boxes, white and black. The main objective of the game is defeat your opponent and you do that killing the king of your opposite. When you do that, you have to say checkmate. Which country would you like to travel to? Why? I would like to travel to Venezuela, specifically to Parque Nacional Canaima. That for me is the most amazing place in the world. If you have seen the Disney movie Up, when the main character goes to that mountains and see all those spectacular plants and animals, that place is based in Canaima. Also, in that place, you could see the tallest waterfall of the world called El Salto Ángel. So, thank you so much for listening to me, tutor and partners and classmates.